Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a quick and informative tutorial for HP laptop users. We'll be showing you how to enable virtualization in Windows 10 through the BIOS on an HP laptop. This is a crucial step for running virtual machines and various virtualization software. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is boot into your laptop's BIOS. This process can vary from one HP laptop model to another. Typically, it involves pressing a specific key during startup. To find out which key to press for your specific HP laptop, you can refer to your laptop's manual or do a quick Google search using your laptop model. Press F10 to open the BIOS setup utility. Once you're in the BIOS, use the arrow keys to navigate through the options. Look for a section that's related to System Configuration or Advanced Settings. It may be labeled differently depending on your laptop model. In this section, you should find an option for virtualization technology or something similar. This is what we need to enable. Use the arrow keys to highlight the Virtualization Technology option and then press Enter. Depending on your BIOS, you might see options like Enabled or Disabled. Make sure to select Enabled to turn on virtualization. Once you've done that, you'll want to save your changes and exit the BIOS. The method for this also varies depending on your laptop model, but there's usually an option to save and exit or something similar. After exiting the BIOS, your laptop will reboot. Now, let's make sure that virtualization is enabled in Windows 10. To do this, right-click on your taskbar and open Task Manager. Click on the Performance tab and then select CPU. Here, you should see Virtualization status as Enabled. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled virtualization in Windows 10 using the BIOS on your HP laptop. This is a vital step if you plan to run virtual machines or use virtualization software for various tasks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.